APAC Braid Academy, where we turn beginners into professional braiders. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you the essential tools that every braider needs to begin their braiding journey. Let's begin. Before you braid, your setup matters. Having the right tools makes you work cleaner, faster, and easier. First, you're going to need a rat tail comb. This helps you create clean parts and sectioning. Next, of course, you're going to need braiding hair. I recommend pre-stretched hair. It saves you time and gives you a smoother finish. You'll also need edge control or braiding gel. This helps you keep the sections neat while you're braiding. Now, rubber bands are optional. These help braiders keep each section in place. Now, clips are very important as well. They help keep each section organized as you work. You'll also want a spray bottle and leave-in conditioner to help keep the hair manageable while you work. One mistake beginners make is buying too many products at once. Start small. Start simple. Focus more on the technique than having every tool. This wraps up today's lesson. Practice organizing your setup before you begin braiding. Continue on to the next lesson in the playlist. I'll see you at the next lesson in APAC Braid Academy.